Good morning, welcome. This is Jamb year 2010 government past question. Question number 24. The question number 24 here say the arrow age grade system in Igbo land was dash. The arrow age grade system in Igbo land was dash. When we talk of arrow in Igbo simply means religion. So option A says a commercial organization. Option B say a political organization. Option C say an imperial organization. Option D say a religious organization. So the arrow, we must have heard of aroshuku. Arrow aroshuku means God. So that is where institution this institution derive this name arrow age grade. So it's basically centered on religious organization or religious institution. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.